All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about output variables. So the Python print statement is often used to output variables. To combine both text and a variable, Python uses the plus character. So we've been using the print statement throughout the course already, but let's take a deeper dive now into output variables. All right, so we're back on our variables notebook here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable. So let's do x equals Python. Actually, let's do awesome, because Python is awesome, right? And let's print Python is, with a space, plus x. And then return that or run it, and Python is awesome. Okay, so you can also use the plus character to add a variable to another variable, okay? So how would you do that? Well, let's take a look at that and let's do an example. So we can do x equals Python is, and then y could equal awesome, okay? And then z could equal x plus y, okay? And then let's print z and see what that does. Python needs a space. There we go. Let's run it again. And there you go. All right. For numbers, the plus character works as a mathematical operator. So what we could do is we could do x equals 5, y equals 10, and print x plus y. And then run that. And we should get 15, which we do. If you try to combine a string and a number, Python will give you an error. Okay. So, if we do x equals 5 and y equals John, okay, and I do print x plus y, then we get an unsupported operator type, okay, for an integer and a string. So, there you go. So that is a very quick explanation of output variables. But again, it's extremely important to understand that so that you have a good idea of how there are different ways to output variables and understanding variables on a deeper level than what we've been covering throughout the course. So with that in mind, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.